DALL-E 3 by OpenAI is CNET's 2024 Editor's Choice for the best AI image generator. DALL-E 3 is great for amateurs and professionals, with many editing tools like different styles and customizations to take advantage of. DALL-E is unique among its competitors for its conversational flow, making it easy to send follow-up requests, and its ability to handle complex queries. OpenAI may use your content to improve its models, but the company says it won't share your data with advertisers and offers a way to request to opt out of model training. With the $20 per month ChatGPT Plus subscription, DALL-E 3 creates vivid, engaging images with limited AI quirks. Read our DALL-E 3 review. Leonardo is great for AI creatives on a budget. It has a comprehensive free plan that gives you ample generation credits at a fast speed. It doesn't have any free post-generation editing tools, they're paywalled, but it does have a prompt improvement tool and other customization elements that can guide you toward building the best prompts. Leonardo makes it easy to explore what's possible with AI and create vivid, detailed AI images. Its free plan easily knocks its competitors out of the water, even the user-friendly Canva. Read our Leonardo AI review. Adobe Firefly's family of generative AI image tools is built directly into Adobe Creative Cloud, including Photoshop, which makes it a great option for professional creatives looking to experiment. Firefly offers a lot of stylistic and artistic options, and its refinement tools feel similar to editing software that creatives will be familiar with. Firefly is trained on Adobe's own stock catalog, which includes high-quality licensed and public domain. Content Firefly does not train on your content. If you're already paying for an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, Firefly can be an easy way to mock up ideas or spark inspiration. Read our Adobe Firefly review. Canva is an extremely user-friendly graphic design service, and its AI image generator Magic Media is a great option for amateur AI creators. Magic Media is a minimalist service, which isn't great if you need extensive editing tools, but it's great for folks on a budget and time crunch. Canva's privacy policy is notably secure, as Canva does not train its AI on your content, and the images you generate are always private, unlike many competitors. Canva also makes it easy to integrate your AI images into your other projects, on desktop and on the mobile app. It's a no-frills, easy-to-navigate AI image generator perfect for beginners and Canva lovers. Read our Canva review. How we tested AI image generators. CNET takes a practical approach to reviewing AI image generators. Our goal is to determine how good it is relative to the competition and which purposes it serves best. To do that, we give the AI prompts based on real-world use cases, such as rendering in a particular style, combining elements into a single image, and handling lengthier descriptions. We score the image generators on a 10-point scale that considers factors such as how well images match prompts, creativity of results, and response speed. See how we test AI for more